way and see my past is a blur. Gossiping folks, stop believing what you heard. I'm a winner before I begun. I'm the future, listen, I already won. I'm keeping my grind, motivated and focused. Meditation is power, full of passion, emotion. I'm in it to win it, kept a runaway train. Negative is behind dreams I feed in my brain. Nothing can stop me, I'm a bull out the gate. I see red, my heart's pumping at a high rate. I do what it takes, catch me in the wind. You feel defeated before we started. My condolences, your career is dearly departed. It smell like it's baking in the kitchen. You're wishing I stopped this exhibition. I'm just practicing, this ain't a mission. Stop you coding your path, call me the Iceman. Freezer burn below zero iceberg, the traffic jam.
Outworking everybody, check my resume. Still winning even if the opposition read my plays. I laid the trap, steps they take is when I detonate. Made the playing fields uneven, check how the levels laid. A cheat code, beast mode untamed. Ambition ignited flames from the tunnel to the game. That's the anthem, whole crowd with their hands up. They came to see me work, win, repeat, that's the mantra. Running up the scores, putting numbers on the board. My aura just way too radiant to be adored. Rocking the competition to sleep, look at him snore. A god, the kings acknowledge me as Lord in this sport.
I'm in the way and see my past is a blur. Gossiping folks, stop believing what you heard. I'm a winner before I begun. I'm the future, listen, I already won. So ain't nobody gonna take what belongs to me. Your entity, prodigy, you don't have to believe in me. The script is written, you can't even change it. I'm here, so face it, it's best that you embrace it. I'm a winner before I begun. I'm the future, listen, I already won. So ain't nobody gonna take what belongs to me. Your entity, prodigy, you don't have to believe in me.